Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. WAHIDAH and everyone who are watching. My name is Muhammad Nazrul and we are from Group 7. And today we are presenting about our project for BITS1213 Operating System subject. So first and foremost, I would like to introduce our group members and our tasks. First, myself, I will be responsible on the configuration of the virtual machine. Next, we have ALIFF IMRAN, who are responsible for the installation and the configuration of the DHCP server. Next, we have MOHAMAD NAQIUDDIN, who have been tasked in the configuration and installation of the SFTP server. And last but not least, we have SITI AISHAH, who are responsible for the web services configuration. Okay, so before we start with our demonstration, I would like to briefly explain to you about our project. So we have been tasked in designing a network environment for a company, and this network will provide three types of services. First, we have the dynamic host configuration protocol, or what we are usually call DHCP. These services will provide an automatic assignment of IP address to the client, and for this project, we will be using the ISC DHCP package. Okay, next we have the web services. This is the crucial services for in providing the hosting and providing a content, web content for the network. Next, we have the SFTP. These services will provide a secure way for the client to transfer file from server to client and client to server. And we will be using the OpenSSH and Apache 2 for the web services. Okay, in completing this project, we have three requirements, which is virtual machine, operating system, and the server and client. So for the virtual machine, we have decided to use Oracle VirtualBox, and for the operating system, we will be using the Debian 11. And thirdly, we will have the separate server and client devices. So without any more delay, let's start with the project demonstration.
Thank you, Nazrul, for that clear explanation. Assalamualaikum and hi to Dr. WAHIDAH. I'm Muhammad IMRAN. Today I will present about DHCP server configuration. Firstly, we need to set the network configuration in VirtualBox interface. Click on Tools. Below the host on the network adapter setting, click on Configure Adapter manually and enter IP address and IP network mask. For DHCP server tab, click on Enable Server and enter server address server mask and lower and upper address bound and click on Apply. Next, for the server network settings, for adapter 1, choose NAT. For adapter 2, choose host only adapter and click OK. While for client, for adapter 1, we choose host only adapter and click OK. Alright, now we will start our DHCP server configuration with server machine. We will open the machine first. Alright, firstly, we will configure the interface and host tree on the server to static IP, which is 192.168.1.254. Enter this command, save and exit. Next, change the status of the interface and host tree and host 8 from up to down, then change the status back to up using this command. Next, install DHCP server package using this command. Alright, now configure the DHCP server to listen to interface and host 8 to server DHCP request using this command. Next, insert this command. After that, save and exit. Now we will verify the IP address on the server using the command IP-add. As we can see, the IP address for server machine is 192.168.1.254. Now we will try to check the internet connection for server machine. We'll try to open Firefox and try to open YouTube. Alright, as we can see that server machine have the internet connection. You also can try to ping to google.com. Alright, now we will try to open client machine. Alright, firstly we need to configure the interface and host tree to get the DHCP using this command. Enter this command. After that, save and exit. Next, change the status of interface and host tree from up to down, then change back to up and restart the networking setting using this command. Next, we will check the IP address on the client using the command IP-add. As you can see, the IP address for the client machine is 192.168.1.5. We will try to open Firefox to check the internet connection for the client machine. try to open YouTube. As we can see that client machine don't have internet connection. We will also go and try to ping Google.com. And now we will try to ping to server machine. So you can see that client can ping to server machine successfully. Now we try to ping client machine from server. Both server and client can ping to each other. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NAQIUDDIN SHAHIRAN. So I'm going to explain about SFTP server. So first we must go to the server and we must update the apt, use sudo apt update command. After that, we must install the OpenSSH server using sudo apt install OpenSSH server. After install, we must config the SSH server. Use sudo nano etc ssh sshd config. In the highlight text, we must uncomment the text. After that, we can restart the system using sudo system control restart. And then we go to the client. In the client, we type SFTP server lis IP address for the server 192.168.1.254 and then enter the server's password. We can see the client already connect to the server. And then we go to the server and we create a text file naming testing file. In this file, yeah, the text hello, this is file from server. After that, we go to the client back. We use get command and then the name of the text file, testing file.txt. We can see in the highlight, the testing file.txt already downloaded. And we can use ls to see if the testing file.txt in the folder. And then we're using get testing file.txt to see the text in the testing file. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So thank you, NAQIUDDIN, for your explanation. Assalamualaikum to Manager WAHIDAH. My name is AISHAH. I will explain about the web server. So here in the server, we need to install Apache 2 using this command. So here it's shown that Apache 2 is already in the newest version. And then we need to check the status for the Apache 2 using this command. Here I type sudo cps status Apache 2. We need to show the status is active and running. We need to create a directory for our web server. Using this command, sudo-mkdir, we create our domain name here, code 7, and then we create a permission in chunk and also chmod here. Next, after we done this, we need to do the HTML for our website. Using this command, nano www.script7. Here we will show the HTML pipeline for our group, code 7, and welcome to code 7. Next, we need to save it. After that, to open the site available using this command. We will show here, we need to set the server name, server alias for our website later. We save and exit. After that, we need to enable the list using this command. And then disable another thing here. That's it. And then we need to restart. So then we start the Apache 2. You can go to the Firefox and type our IP address. So here we will show the web server in server. Then for client server, same thing at the server, we need to install the Apache. And then we need to do the HTML for the web server at our client. So this is HTML that I've done. We need to save and then preview here. After that, we need to apply the connection using the widget and my server IP. Once it's shown connected, you can open the Firefox and set the IP address for the website. So here, let me show the website that we've done using the standard before. So that's all for web server. Thank you.